Let's learn how to sort YouTube videos by the oldest. Have you ever wanted to dive into the early days of your favorite YouTubers? Sorting videos by oldest is the key to unlocking a whole new level of YouTube exploration, and in this video we're going to show you how to do just that. You can sort YouTube videos by the oldest in just one click. And before we start with the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. It would really help us out. The very first thing that we will do is to go to youtube.com, and then you want to search for the channel on which you want to see their first videos. I'll do this on my channel, but you can do it on anybody's YouTube channel. When you open the YouTube channel, go to the videos section. And as you can see, we can see the latest upload by default, and you have 3 buttons here. Click on the oldest right here, and the YouTube videos will be sorted by the oldest, and you can see that these here are the first uploads. This works on any channel on YouTube, so enjoy. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.